Are you among those that layer your skincare product however you think you like because you don't know the right way? You're unsure of the right way to layer your skincare product. You don't know which comes first, which is supposed to come second, or even last. Come closer. I'm going to be helping you guys sort out that issue today because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to layer your skincare product the right way. So without no further delay, let's just hop right into the video. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl here, IAMJESSFECHI, and I welcome you to today's video. If this is your first time I've ever seen this pretty face, hi, my name is IAMJESSFECHI and I welcome you to my channel. Please join this beautiful family by clicking on the subscribe button you can see while you're watching this video. And please also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever any video comes out from me. And if you enjoyed this video, do comment, like, share with people that you know that will be interested in this video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I don't take it for granted at all. I love you guys. So like I was saying, layering your skincare products the right way helps your skincare product work so much better on your skin. If you just layer your skincare product anyhow you feel is the right way or anyhow you like or anyhow it comes to your mind, except you're doing it the right way unknowingly, if you're not, then your skincare products are not going to be working very well, which is the reason why you started that skincare journey in the first place, so that those products are going to work on your skin. And in the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing a tip with you guys. So make sure to watch the end of this video so you will get the tip I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So the first one on my list here, the first product that you're supposed to apply on your skin is cleanser. Because you need to cleanse your skin. You need to cleanse your skin of every makeup, every dirt, every oil before you are able to apply any product on your skin. Your skin needs to be pure. Your skin needs to be very, very clean. And for the cleanser, I am going to suggest a gentle, soothing cleanser, not a harsh cleanser. A very gentle, soothing cleanser works wonders. Because like cleansing your skin, it gives your skin the covering that it needs for every other product that you're going to be applying on your skin to work. So the first one here, the first product that you need to do is to cleanse your skin. That's the first layering product that you're supposed to work with, the cleanser first. The next one here is your toner or your essence, whichever one of the two. That's the next product that comes next for you to apply on your skin. And all you need to do is just pour the toner into your hand and just dab it on your skin. Don't rub it, just dab it and make sure you rub it all over your skin. Or you can also use a cotton pad to apply your toner on your skin. Toner helps balance your skin pH and prep it for every other product that you're going to be applying next on your skin to work perfectly well on your skin. It helps to let your product sit into your skin and work very well. That's what toner does to your skin. It preps your skin ready to absorb every other product that you're going to be applying on your skin. A very good toner helps your skin so much because it preps it. Not only does it hydrate your skin, it also preps it so that every product you're going to be applying on your skin will work perfectly well like you want them to. The next product you're supposed to layer after your toner is your treatment product, which is your serum, your acne treatments, cream, spot removal products, and all of that. That is the next thing there. Basically, I would just say your serum is the next product that you're supposed to apply on your skin, which is the third product after your toner. Your cleanser comes first, then your toner, then the next one is your serum. This is where the power play is. This is where you are supposed to apply it. For your serum, you can use a vitamin C serum in the morning and a retinol serum at night. Please and please, any product that you're trying to get and you see that there is vitamin C and there's retinol, both ingredients in that one product, please do not buy it because those two ingredients in a skincare or a product can irritate your skin, which is not good for your skin and can cause a whole lot of damage to your skin. You have to apply your vitamin C serum in the morning, and any serum that you know has retinol should be for night. And for your serum, it doesn't have to be one serum because they all do different things. And when you want to apply your serums or your spot treatments on your face, you should apply from the thinnest to the thickest. That's how to apply it, from the thinnest to the thickest. And when you're trying to get a serum, please get a serum that you need, that has an ingredient for a, a problem that you're trying to solve on your skin, be it dark spots or to brighten your face or for under eye. Just get serum that are for what you need. Also, if you have spot treatment creams that you want to layer on your skin, this is also the time to layer them. You can layer them together at the same time. After putting your treatment cream, then you can put your serum, or either after putting your serum, then you can put your treatment cream. But you can even use one of each. You can use either a spot treatment or a serum. because they will also do the same thing for you, most especially when you get the specific one for the skin condition you're trying to solve or whatever you're trying to achieve with your skincare. This next one that I'm going to be mentioning for you is optional, and it's the eye cream. Most times, eye cream is just for those that have dark under eye. So if you know that you don't have a dark under eye, just keep this. It's for those that have dark under eye. After your serum and your spot treatment, the next one here for you to apply is your eye cream, and this is for those that have a dark under eye. Like I have a dark under eye, which I am already working on, but I just started, so I'm gonna give it time. Your eye cream, you're not supposed to do too much. You're not supposed to rub it in when you want to rub your eye cream. You're just supposed to dab it in under your eye like this. Just like this. That's how you also dab it in. I mean, you can either use this finger, which is this one, or this one. But most times, a lot of people use this one. I also use this one. Just dab it in. Make sure it stays exactly at that place, which is your under eye. And what I'm going to be telling you is you must make sure that you apply your under eye cream for those that have um, under eye. You must apply it before you apply your moisturizer, which brings us to the next product, and that is the moisturizer. Moisturizer is the seal that locks in every product that you've already applied on your face, like the cleanser, the toner or essence, the serum, the spot cream, the eye cream. Your moisturizer locks everything in and makes them work faster and much better. One thing I want to tell you people in this video is, for those of you that always say you don't need a moisturizer, I have an oily skin, you don't need I don't need a moisturizer. Right now, I am telling you that whether you have a dry skin, an oily skin, a sensitive skin, or even a combination skin, you need a moisturizer. Everybody needs a moisturizer. Everybody needs a moisturizer to keep their skin barrier happy. Don't you like when you get excited that you're happy about something? At times you even tend to get happy about, you don't know the reason why you're happy, but you're just happy. Your skin needs to be happy, and your skin can only be happy when you apply a moisturizer to lock in every other product that you've already applied on your face, which helps your product to work well and faster. Then moving on to the last product that you are to layer on your skincare. This one is the last one. After you've applied everything that you want to apply, your cleanser, your toner or essence, your spot treatment, your eye cream for those that need it, and your moisturizer. The last one on the list here is your sunscreen. If you've applied all of this product that I've already listed, you don't apply your sunscreen, girl, every other thing that you've applied, you just wasted your time, your energy. And if you apply your sunscreen before any other product, you've also wasted your time, your effort, and your product, because the sunscreen helps protect your skin and all the product that you've applied on your face, on your body, to work perfectly well. So the sunscreen should be the last thing that you apply on your skin. That should be the last thing. So if you've been applying them the third place or the second place or even the first place before I applied every other product, I am telling you right now, you're just wasting your time, wasting your money, wasting your product and your energy, because that is going to cause a lot of damage to your skin. Don't think because I've applied the sunscreen before applying any other product, so it will still work. It will not work. The sunscreen is what that helps your skin. It protects you from sun damage. And it helps every other product that you've applied on your face to sit in and work very, very well on your skin without giving you any reaction, even if you're going out in the sun. That is why the sunscreen is there, to help protect your skin from UV rays and sun damage. And if you're going to be getting sunscreen, please make sure you get a sunscreen that is from SPF 30 to 50 or even 70. Don't go lesser. Don't get an SPF 20. No, it must be from an SPF 30 plus and higher. That is the only way that it will help your skin work better, because with that, you have more coverage. But when you go for SPF 20 and all of that, no, it's not even the right thing. It's not the right sunscreen for you. You should always get a sunscreen that is from SPF 30 and above. The sunscreen is the game changer. Like I said before, the sunscreen is the game changer. Even if you don't apply any other product on your face, make sure you apply your sunscreen while you're going out during the day. Because though you might have cleansed your face of the product you put on your face a day before, but if you don't protect your skin while you're going out, it's still going to be damaged, because the sun damages the skin and makes you have wrinkles, which you don't want. You definitely know you don't want that. So that is why the sunscreen should be the last product that you apply on your skin every day. And for the tip I promised you guys in this video, the tip is, when you want to apply your skincare product, make sure you leave 2 to 3 minutes interval before applying the next product. Like when you cleanse your face, you wait for like 2 to 3 minutes before applying your toner or essence on your face, and you wait for another 2 to 3 minutes before applying another product. Even if you have like which is the serum, even if you have like 2 to 3 serum that you apply at a time, it is very unwise for you to just apply everything at once on your face, because they are just they're just going to be smudged together and you won't get the desired result for the reason why you decided to get those products and apply them on your skin. So you need to always give your each product that you apply on your skin 2 to 3 minutes interval for it to sit in, work, sitting very well on your skin and relaxes, dry up on your skin before you apply another skincare product, before you layer the next one. And that is how your skincare product is going to work wonders on your skin. If you just smudge them together, I have fallen victim to that, just smudging all of them together on my face. I know that I did this thing the wrong way. So I had to do a research, which helps me understand that for every skincare product you apply on your skin, you let it sit into your skin for 2 to 3 minutes before applying the next product on your skin. Skincare is work. So you don't have to be in a hurry when you want to apply your skincare. And if you know you're in a hurry to go out and you're not ready to do all of that waiting 2 to 3 minutes, I will just advise you to just apply only your sunscreen on your skin and then just go to wherever you want to go to. Because if you smudge all of them together, not allowing them dry or leaving them to sit into your skin for 2 to 3 minutes before applying the next product, it will just be a waste of product, because when they are all smudged together, you won't get the desired result of why you are even doing your skincare routine in the first place. So now you guys understand the right order to apply your skincare product on your skin, which is firstly the cleanser, and then the next one that comes is the toner or the essence. After that, you have the spot treatment or serum. And after that, the eye cream comes first for those that need that one. After the eye cream, then you have the moisturizer. And after the moisturizer, then comes the last one of all, which is the sunscreen. That is the right way to layer your skincare product. So if you've not been layering it this way, now you know how best to layer your skincare product so that you get the desired results of why you even started that routine in the first place. And like I said, for your serum, it should be from the thinnest to the thickest. So you just have to, if it is to test your serums on your hand, from the feel, you will know the one that is the thickest and you know the one that is thinnest. But if it's just one serum that you use in the daytime, then you're good to go. You don't need to do that from applying from the thinnest to the thickest. But if it is more than one serum, then it has to be from the thinnest to the thickest. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did shooting the video for you. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share with people that you know will need this video, that it will help them a lot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.